just stay here.
Shuma, so you are back. Did you bring the money I asked you to bring? Money for my hair, for subscription, to send to my mother, to buy food, to buy my cream, to buy my hair. Did you bring it?
See, DOOSHIMA, I went out today, but what was bad? Everything. Oh God.
Oh, so I should start crying? No, I should start crying that you went out and did not see a job. Is it me? Am I the one to come and give you a job? Am I the one to come and provide a job for you? Is it not your mates that are out there hustling? Is it not your mates?
I'm not saying I'm trying, but these days I don't even know how to explain.
You don't know. Find a way to explain now. You are here, yeah, this and that. You're a very stupid human being. You're a very stupid man. Look at you. How did I even agree to marry this foolish man, for crying out loud? How?
See, DOOSHIMA, life was good. It's just that this little time.
Life was good, so I should start living on the past.
See, just give me time. Maybe by tomorrow when I go out, I'll be able to get something.
So you're not even sure about tomorrow? Life is not good anymore. Oga, stand up and go and hustle. Stand up and go and hustle. What's your problem?
It's night already now. Let me just sleep. Then tomorrow I'll still go out. Please. I'm begging you.
You even still let you sleep. I should let you sleep. Don't worry.
But you know I love you. I just.
You love me. Am I supposed to eat love? You love me. So I'm supposed to eat love. Now love I go chop belle full now. You love me. It's love that we eat.
But you just need to understand with me.
Your mates are out there doing the most for their wives. But look at you love me without nothing to show for it.
Is there any food for me to eat?
Waka there. Did you give me money for food? Did you give me money for food? Did you give me money for food? No, look at me. When I'm talking to you, look at me. Did you give me money for food when you're going out? You're coming to ask me for food.
Sorry.
Stupid man. You not go and hug you and bring money to the house.
Like this, you're just killing me. I'm dying.
I'm killing you. Is it not even better you die? It's better you die now. Maybe I'll just meet someone else that is better than you. Because I'm done with this suffering. Who gave you the water you are drinking? Where did you get the water you are drinking?
Just took it from the fridge.
You took it from the fridge? Did you buy any water in this house? Did you buy any water? Did you buy any water in this house?
The last time I checked, this is my house. So
this is your house, but is it your water? That's the question. Do you have money to buy water? Do you have?
No. So can I even drink water in my house?
Did you buy water? That's the question. Or you just see any water in the house and just carry it? Is it your water? See, this should be the very last time. This should be the very last time that you carry my water. Did you hear me? This should be the very last time that you now carry my water and be drinking. Are you mad? Water you did not buy. Water you did not buy.
DOOSHIMA, what are you...
Stupid man.
Can you imagine the woman that loves me because I don't have money? This is what I'm facing.